And so many of the most outstanding names in medicine were Muslim scholars. Many of the inventions in medicine were done by Muslim scholars. They were inspired to do this by the words of the Prophet ﷺ to find cure for illnesses. The first hospitals, actual hospitals, or mobile hospitals, were established by Muslims. Even up to this day, if you study the history of medicine, non-Muslim scholars would mention the names of Muslim scholars who were in the forefront in previous centuries of inventions, of developing cures for different illnesses and so on. Ibn Sina is a name which is mentioned very often, and he was this great genius when you look at what he achieved. Avicenna, it's then his name in Western writings. His Muslim name is Ibn Sina. This great founder of medicine, modern medicine as we know it today.